Let's now look at the fourth key competence indicator, implementing change or transformational management strategy. Change doesn't happen because of a plan. It happens because project leaders show up, teams align behind a shared vision, and action follows intention. As project managers, we don't just manage scope, schedule, and resources. We manage transformation. We create momentum, spark courage, and unlock potential across teams, departments, and stakeholders. Change is rarely neat. It's complex, uncertain, and often met with resistance. But when done right, it's where real project value is realized beyond the triple constraint. So, how do we move from good intentions to lasting impact? The truth is that lasting change is a project of its own. Change doesn't happen because of a memo or single kickoff meeting. It happens when leaders at every level roll up their sleeves, listen deeply, and model the change they want to see. It happens when we embed a support system, a project ecosystem that enables learning, action, and reflection at every stage. Every successful transformation project needs the right tools, not just schedules and Gantt charts, but people centered interventions that build trust and capability. Think of your change toolkit like a project support framework. Workshops to engage teams and stakeholders to co design solutions, clarify roles, and explore change collaboratively. Training to build essential skills and behaviors for adopting new tools, processes, or methods. Info sessions to share updates, milestones, and lessons to sustain momentum and transparency. Simulation games to safely practice new processes and decision making to reduce real world risk. Mass communication using videos, newsletters, or dashboards for clear, consistent messaging. Visioning, creating a shared understanding of the desired future and project purpose. Power and influence, coaching leaders to navigate resistance and model change supportive behaviors. When these elements reinforce one another, they create the trust and capability that enable transformation, project outcomes that stick. With the collection of interventions defined, execute the implementation plan by scheduling interventions in a logical sequence that builds understanding, skills, and commitment over time. Assigning clear responsibilities for leading and supporting each intervention. Integrating interventions into the daily rhythm of the organization, avoiding add-ons that feel disconnected from real work. Monitoring progress and adjusting the approach as necessary. If you are a project leader, here is your challenge. Don't outsource the change. Facilitate the workshops. Lead the hard conversations. Model the behaviors you are asking of others. Your visibility equals credibility. When you show up and speak openly about the why, what, and how of change, you send a powerful message. We are here in this together. This is important. I've got your back. That's leadership. That's where engagement begins. That's how you turn project milestones into organizational transformation. Every project faces pushback. Every change initiative encounters skepticism. Resistance is data, not dysfunction. Rather than silence it, listen. Understand the fear, the confusion, the misalignment. Then respond with clarity, transparency, and empathy. By creating safe spaces for dialogue, you transform resistance into trust. And that trust becomes the foundation of sustainable results. Change doesn't stick without strategic communication. One status update won't cut it. One steering community briefing won't do. You need a continuous drumbeat. Short video updates from sponsors and stakeholders. Project newsletters with clear, timely updates. Dashboards that show progress towards change outcomes. Town halls to address questions and surface insights. Interactive tools that engage and educate. When we repeat key messages through multiple channels, they become a shared language. When we pair that with follow-through, they become a shared reality. Clarity builds confidence. Consistency builds belief. Change isn't just technical, it's human. It's not about ticking boxes, it's about hearts, minds, and habits. As project leaders, we must celebrate early wins, recognize new behaviors, challenge outdated ways of working. These actions signal that the new way is here to stay. They also build the psychological safety and team cohesion necessary for project success. To apply this framework to your current initiative, follow these steps. Develop a coordinated collection of interventions by designing an integrated set of activities that reinforce each other and align with the change objectives. Roll out interventions in a logical sequence with clear responsibilities and feedback mechanisms. Organize, lead workshops and training by facilitating sessions directly, ensuring management, involvement, and behavioral focus. Address resistance openly by encouraging dialogue, understanding concerns, and responding transparently and empathetically. Utilize mass media interventions by communicating broadly and consistently through engaging formats and accessible channels. Reinforce and encourage new behaviors by recognizing, rewarding, and modeling the desired behaviors while challenging old habits. Now, let's test your knowledge.